Well, definitely no digging today. Oh, looks like my PLW flag. Oh, somebody's brave. You know, they just scraped these roads not too long ago, and those things are already covered back up. It is cold. See if we can get a hit of my... Oh man, stuff's coming all down on me. Part of my driveway. I'm not supposed to be walking. I kind of hurt my back. I've been trying to nurse it, but I can't lay down. I've got to get out and move. It is so cold. This stuff's supposed to continue tonight. I think even all the way in tomorrow. I done missed one. Couldn't make it in to work today. And kids over there sliding. It is snowy. Flag's getting wrapped around the pole again. Well, they're going to have to stay like that. Somebody's braving again. Some of these vehicles front-wheel drive, they can do it. My vehicle is not made for ice and slick stuff. Since this stuff began today, there's already been over 30 wrecks. It's going to get up even higher. I got a hill up that side. When that goes, it goes an upgrade. When that thing gets slick, it gets rough. And there, that gets to be pretty treacherous, and it still goes up in the upcline when it's going up through there. And then you go down that way, it goes down and then up. To get out of my little hole, there's hills either way. And I got rear-wheel drive, and my tires ain't really the best. But I'm staying home. It's cold, I'm shaky, I'm sorry. Oh, but all the snow. I'm going back inside. I just want to let y'all see what we got here in Tennessee. See you soon. Y'all have a great one. Bye-bye.